Nothing feels as good as hip circles, especially with a high mileage vehicle. But let's be smart. Let's move slowly in each direction. Push straight to the side and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Because holding stillness builds stability. Then front and side. This is how healers repair and replace arthritic hip joints. Just rotate that circular ball in the circular hip socket with hip circles. Next, push your hips straight forward. Think about it. That's how you would get an old rusty hinge to start moving again. You'd flip it back and forth or circle it around. Even an inanimate object responds to movement. Couple more seconds, then front and other side. But we're not inanimate. Movement increases circulation, lymphatic flow, so it cleanses and detoxifies. We have life in our joints and muscles. Switch forward and the other side. The cartilage and even the joint articular surfaces will smooth out with movement. The tendons and ligaments will strengthen. Straight to the side and hold. I wouldn't even consider surgery until I did at least 10,000 hip circles and really our entire lower extremity rehab process. Nobody's ever been left worse off from hip circles. And straight back, stick that butt out. I don't know how you would measure this, but in Eastern medicine, they assure you that holding in stillness drives energy or chi into the body, into the joint, and into the muscles. That sounds like a process that we might call healing. Why do you think they would make that claim? Back and to the side, they were very based on observation, so the observation would have to be a restoration of motion, of function, or muscle contraction. A few more seconds and then reverse direction. Straight back and hold. This is a mind and focus exercise as well, because you have to hold your position mindfully and breathe. Back into the side and hold. Breathe and relax. See if you can relax and deepen into the stretch. Push a little bit further with each breath. Straight to the side and hold. We're building stability in each segment of this movement, and then we'll put it together. Front and side and hold. If you feel any pain or discomfort while you're doing this, don't hesitate to stop and tap. Straight front and hold. We spend so much of our time in a forward bend, sitting, so really lean back and stretch this one. Front and other side, and hold. Keep your knees pressed apart. Come back and watch your breath frequently. And straight to the side that we started on. If you'd like any help repairing your high mileage vehicle, check us out at gettherightdiagnosis.com. Couple more seconds and then we'll speed it up.